Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily allow only admins to send messages in a group in WhatsApp. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Make sure to put your likes and also write comments after watching the video. So, let us get started with you. And open the WhatsApp application to begin with. Then go to the chat section. After that, go to your group. Then click on the group name at the top, and that will take you to the group information and settings. Scroll down a bit and find the section called Group Permissions. After that, here you will find Send Message. As you can see, this feature is automatically active and enabled, which means that absolutely anyone in your group will be able to send a message to that group. If you want only the administrator to be able to do this, then you just need to disable this feature. But I'll tell you right away that to do such actions, the administrator to manage messages in the WhatsApp group, you can only do so if you are the administrator or the creator of the group. Friends, in this simple way, you can allow only administrators to manage messages in WhatsApp group. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please write your comments, put your likes, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.